heard about this man. He got caught for shoplifting at the grocery store. He was at court and the judge said, "Sir, I understand you stole a can of peaches. How many peaches were in that can?" He said, "5, Your Honor." The judge said, "All right, I'm going to give you 1 week in jail for each peach in that can. You have 5 weeks. His wife stood up and said, "Your Honor, may I say something?" The judge said, "What is it?" She said, "He stole a can of peas, too." You're welcome.
I think it looks good. I like it.
Yeah, it's really cool. I went and picked this up today. I think it's a dryer drum. So I got it from someone in town, and it'll be really cool. It'll turn brown as we have fires in it, which is nice. It won't be some white thing here.
Yeah.
But we really wanted a fire pit, and we weren't really sure what we wanted. We were thinking like a dryer drum or an old rim or something, but this was $10, so it was totally awesome. So we dug around, shoved it in, and then added some more soil on the inside to bring it up and strengthen it all.
Now we're gonna christen the land.
Woohoo!
With a fire.
Yeah.
Gonna throw that sod, the dirt, just in our pile.
Our compost back there. Yeah.
And man, it's not quite 2 weeks.
No, I guess, no, it's not. Tomorrow will be 2 weeks.
Yeah, so we're slack on this. We should have had a fire already, but at least we're finally getting it. It's in a nice spot.
Yeah.
So it's right like directly behind the house. We can come right in that back door, or right in, out, whatever.
Yeah.
And come right out to the pit.
Woohoo!
And then if you look here, this is our sweet view. Well, the trampoline's there too, but Sam loves it. Ashley obviously loves it too, you saw that. But look at this view, eh? Sweet.
Sit by the fire and watch the deers.
Deers and beers.
Deers and beers and birds. We have so many birds. Oh my land, it's just chaos here with the birds. There's always fights at the bird feeder.
So I guess I'll get rid of that.
Yeah, right.
Want to take that?
Throw it in the fire.
This is a bit breezy. What's in front of me? Oh, shovel.
Oh, there. We better go buy some s'mores for our first fire. Always need that.
Where's that pile at?
Right directly there where there's like a little opening in the bush.
Fly on my nose.
Fly. Right here, that opening I think is where.
Where? Oh, right there. Nice.
Woohoo! How convenient is this?
Yeah, it's sweet.
Just come right out to the... Whoop! Great! Did you try it?
Yeah, a little sour. You want to try one?
Did you bite it?
Yeah, there's a couple seeds in it.
Is this poisonous?
Oh yeah, you did. You'll be dead.
You dead tonight? I like them.
Wake up to a body in the bed. We gotta make something out of those too.
Yeah, I don't know if we could make grape jelly or wine or grape juice. Something.
Not really much for wine drinkers. I don't know if there'd be much sense in doing that.
No. Just because you have grapes, I guess, in your backyard.
Yeah.
I like them though.
Might be fun to try. I mean, I would try it.
I wouldn't drink it, but I'd make it.
I know, that's the problem, right?
Yeah.
I'm not really into wine. Let's light that fire.
All right. Well, I'm gonna need more wood than that.
Yeah, as you can see, we're definitely in need of doing the grass here soon.
Yes, we will cut that tomorrow. We will cut that tomorrow. We've just been pretty busy.
Yeah, tomorrow's the day.
Yep. All
We'll
right.
show them our big tractor.
Woo! She thinks
Did
my
you bring it later?
tractor's sexy.
She thinks my tractor's sexy. It really turns her on.
No, I need to go back up and get that now.
Oh, you didn't?
Yeah, I forgot. I'll go get it though.
All
And we
right.
need more wood anyway. That's probably not enough.
Yeah, no, definitely. All right, let's get wood and lighters and stuff. All right, let's make this official. Hey?
Woohoo! It's paper.
Yeah, need a lot of
Need that
things.
first. What do you want first? Wood?
Yeah, we'll just. Haven't had a fire in 2 weeks.
I forget. Hello. Sam came for the christening of the fire pit.
Pardon?
Sam came down for the christening of the fire pit.
Yeah.
We have a leopard joining us this evening.
Yep. Leopards on the property.
Cheetah?
Cheetah. That's probably good.
Okay.
This wood's pretty dry. Thank you.
Oh, muscle.
Thank you.
Let's get that one too. Get that big one too.
And just set that like off to the right here is good.
You should have seen all the worms in the dirt, Sam. You would have loved it. There was so many. It was like Squirmy came here.
A bunch. Get a little bit of grass to burn off.
Yeah, right.
We threw the sod back in to like stamp it all down just to keep this tight.
The wind won't be able to blow it over now.
No.
Smells nice.
The smell of paper is nice.
It is.
Hey?
I'm gonna get the bench.
May have to drill a couple holes in the side of this thing.
There's some right there.
Yeah, there's just
Not very many.
Yeah,
That's nice.
maybe a couple more to get some air going.
Okay. This is nice.
This is nice.
Oh yeah, love it.
Yeah,
You can see it's already turning like black. I
Yeah.
love that.
it'll look nice.
It's gonna look so good. Get it all burnt around it.
It's
Cool.
a pretty thick smoke right now.
Yeah.
Hey?
Burning off whatever's on the dryer drum.
Yeah. It'll clean up soon.
And then it'll look awesome.
Yeah. Right now it looks like we're burning tires back here. Right here having a fire. And the deer came out. Love it.